Yan, hitabo this October 26, 2025. So first time in my history, charot. First time yun sa akong history na I've experienced na during the class, I usually correct the pronunciation of a child right after she reads the text. Okay, or the phrases or the sentence or the word. Okay. Then, naay word dito nga breakfast. So, usually, we read that word as breakfast, right? Breakfast. And then, ang mama nga bida-bida, okay, niingon siya nga breakfast. It's breakfast. It's not correct, teacher. It's breakfast. Dayon, I was shocked. Kaya first time na kong naka-encounter kong inana nga parent. And, murabag, though, siguro, dagay, okay, sige, I'll accept that. Ako siyang giingnan. O, sige, mami, if mauna imong itudlo sa bata, sige, go. I'll go for it. Yan ako. Professional man ka. So I took that as a professional thing. So okay, go breakfast. Okay, and then I keep on repeating the word as breakfast. Okay, so nipon man sila o professionalism. Okay, so I take that as a positive one. Okay, sige, sabto na ko siya. Pero, kamo teach, unsa man gyud tinuod ana? Is it breakfast or breakfast? Unsa man jud? Sige daw, tagay daw kuno kog hostisya aron.